Imagine waking up dangling on a swing high in the air. You begin to panic. You are so high up that you can't even see the ground. You have no idea how you got here. Yet, deep down, you think this might just be a dream. After all, the situation is far too bizarre. You can't even see the ends of the chains. This definitely has to be a dream, which means all you need to do is let go to wake yourself up. But this feeling is entirely too real. So maybe you shouldn't let go. If something goes wrong, you will lose your life. Days pass, and you feel utterly exhausted. You are terrified you will fall asleep and slip off. Time is running out. What will you do?